But if you want to invest in 100, 200, 500, 1000, 2000 and more domains, then you should always hire and collaborate with the domain expert who have a great amount of knowledge, who is already in this. You have a great question that what if I have sufficient money in my pocket, I wanted to build a great number of portfolio for my domain business, but I am new in this business, so how can I build a great domain portfolio? Should I invest through my knowledge, or should I hire a domain expert who can give me the great names? Right? You should always go for the second. There is no other option. You should always choose second option. You should always hire a domain expert who can help you to build your great domain portfolio, because this is not 2010. We are living in 2020, right? So in 2010, I let me share you my experience. In 2010, when I searched 10 domains, there was 7 domains available. So out of 10 domains, 7 domains always available in 2010, 11, 12. Right now the situation is, if you search 100 domains, you will get good 7-8 names, and you will try to buy one good name out of 100 names. Or sometimes it happens that you search 1000 domains, and it might be possible that you did not get any single domain, because the category of that domain is so premium, right? The time is very less. If you are planning to come into this industry right now in 2020 and onwards, you should always go for the second option. You should always go and hire a domain expert who have a great amount of knowledge about research, about domains, about names, and try to collaborate with the domainers in terms of partnership, in terms of a good amount of returns, right? And you can build a great amount of portfolio. But do not experiment with the names at this moment. Yes, you can always learn through your mistakes, but there is not time to do so many mistakes, because the time is already gone. If you are in 2010, then you can absolutely try 10 different things and do 20 different mistakes, and then you can start investing in your domains by yourself only. But if you want to invest in 100, 200, 500, 1000, 2000 and more domains, then you should always hire and collaborate with the domain expert who have a great amount of knowledge, who is already in this industry since last 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 years, right? And invest your money through that domain investor, that domain expert. So you're not gonna lose your money, right? You will be having great amount of portfolio. So you will always have a great quality portfolio if you have a great domain investor, domain researcher. So always try to hire and collaborate with domain expert. Do not experiment with names. Yes, if you are expert of any specific field, if you are a master of food, travel, or something blogger or vlogger or fashion or accessories, try to buy a domain of your category by yourself. You don't need to ask anybody, because you are expert of your field. If you are a doctor, nobody is better than you, right? Nobody know better than you about names, about research of your particular field, because you are expert of your field. So whenever you want to buy a domain of your field, you can always buy 1, 2, 10, 20, 50 domains of your field through your knowledge, right? Your research. But when you are planning, if you are a doctor and you want to invest in an e-commerce industry's domain, you should always hire domain expert. If you have a plan that you want to invest in 100 different categories of domain and you want to build 1000 domain of portfolio, then you should always go for the domain expert. There is no other option. No other option. You can call him domain broker or domain expert or domain investors or domainer, who just in simple language, who have a great knowledge, right? Who have a great knowledge of research, name, ideas, businesses, right? So you should always hire an expert to build your great quality domain portfolio.